Hey there, viewers! Today we're diving into the secret spice that heals and protects. Make sure to watch until the end to discover creative ways to include this spice in your everyday snacks. We've included sources of the information in the video description. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of natural remedies, focusing on a remarkable spice that has been cherished for centuries for its healing properties and protective benefits. This spice, often found in your kitchen, is more than just a flavor enhancer. It's a powerhouse of health benefits that can transform your well-being. Imagine a spice that not only adds warmth and depth to your favorite dishes, but also supports your immune system, reduces inflammation, and promotes overall wellness. That's right. This secret spice is packed with antioxidants and essential nutrients that can help combat various ailments, from common colds to chronic diseases. In a world where we're increasingly turning to natural solutions, understanding the power of such spices is more important than ever. As we navigate through the complexities of modern health, it's crucial to explore the wisdom of nature. With so many people seeking alternatives to conventional medicine, this spice stands out as a beacon of hope, offering a holistic approach to health. So, whether you're a seasoned health enthusiast or just curious about natural remedies, stick around as we uncover the secrets of this incredible spice and how it can heal and protect you. Let's get started. The secret spice we've been hinting at is none other than turmeric. This vibrant yellow-orange spice, derived from the root of the curcuma longa plant, has a rich history that dates back thousands of years. Originating in Southeast Asia, particularly in India, turmeric has been a staple in culinary traditions and traditional medicine for centuries. Its cultural significance is profound, often referred to as the golden spice in many regions. In traditional Ayurvedic medicine, turmeric has been celebrated for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Healers have used it to treat a variety of ailments, from digestive issues to skin conditions. Similarly, in traditional Chinese medicine, turmeric is valued for its ability to promote circulation and alleviate pain. Across cultures, this spice has been a symbol of health and wellness, often incorporated into rituals and ceremonies. Notable figures like Hippocrates, the father of medicine, recognized the healing potential of turmeric, and it has been documented in ancient texts for its medicinal benefits. Additionally, regions like Kerala in India are renowned for their extensive use of turmeric in both cuisine and Ayurveda, making it a focal point of cultural heritage. As we explore the incredible journey of turmeric, we'll uncover how this ancient spice continues to play a vital role in modern health practices, proving that sometimes the best remedies come from nature's pantry. Stay tuned as we delve deeper into its remarkable benefits. Turmeric is not just a culinary delight, it's a powerhouse of health benefits that can help alleviate a variety of ailments. One of its most notable components, curcumin, is renowned for its potent anti-inflammatory properties. Research has shown that curcumin can significantly reduce symptoms of arthritis, making it a natural alternative for those seeking relief from joint pain. A study published in the Journal of Medicinal Food found that curcumin supplementation led to a marked decrease in pain and improved function in osteoarthritis patients. Beyond joint health, turmeric has been linked to improved digestive health. It can aid in reducing bloating and gas, and it's often used to support liver function. A study in the World Journal of Gastroenterology highlighted turmeric's ability to enhance bile production, which is essential for digestion. Moreover, turmeric's antioxidant properties may play a role in protecting against chronic diseases, including heart disease and certain cancers. A review in the Journal of Clinical Oncology noted that curcumin could inhibit the growth of cancer cells and enhance the effectiveness of chemotherapy. With such compelling evidence supporting its health claims, it's time to consider incorporating turmeric into your daily diet. Whether you sprinkle it on your meals, blend it into smoothies, or enjoy it as a soothing tea, this golden spice can be a simple yet effective addition to your wellness routine. So, why not give it a try and experience the benefits for yourself? Turmeric is often hailed as a super spice, and for good reason. Its powerful antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties make it a formidable ally in the fight against various diseases. Curcumin, the active compound in turmeric, helps neutralize free radicals in the body, reducing oxidative stress that can lead to chronic conditions like heart disease and diabetes. By combating inflammation at the cellular level, turmeric can also alleviate symptoms associated with inflammatory diseases, such as arthritis and inflammatory bowel disease. One of the most impressive aspects of turmeric is its ability to boost the immune system. Studies have shown that curcumin can enhance the activity of immune cells, helping the body fend off infections more effectively. For instance, a study published in the Journal of Immunology found that curcumin increased the production of antibodies, which are crucial for fighting off pathogens. Numerous individuals have shared their success stories after incorporating turmeric into their diets. One testimonial comes from a woman who struggled with frequent colds and flu. After adding turmeric to her daily routine, she noticed a significant decrease in illness and an overall improvement in her energy levels. Another case study highlighted a man with chronic inflammation who experienced remarkable relief after regularly consuming turmeric supplements. With its impressive protective qualities, turmeric is not just a spice, it's a natural shield for your health. By making it a part of your daily regimen, you can enhance your overall wellness and fortify your body against disease. So, why not embrace this golden powerhouse today? Remember to stay to the end of the video to learn creative ways to add turmeric to your daily snacks. Incorporating turmeric into your daily meals is easier than you might think. This versatile spice can enhance both flavor and health benefits in a variety of dishes. One simple way to enjoy turmeric is by adding it to soups and stews. Just a teaspoon can infuse your favorite recipes with a warm, earthy flavor while providing a boost of antioxidants. Try making a comforting turmeric-infused lentil soup or a vibrant vegetable curry for a delicious and nutritious meal. For breakfast, consider adding turmeric to your smoothies or oatmeal. A pinch of turmeric can elevate the taste and provide a morning wellness kick. You can also whip up a soothing golden milk latte by mixing turmeric with warm milk or a dairy-free alternative, honey, and a dash of black pepper to enhance absorption. While turmeric is generally safe for most people, it's important to be mindful of potential side effects. High doses may cause digestive issues or interact with certain medications, so it's wise to consult with a healthcare professional if you're considering supplements. Don't be afraid to get creative. Beyond traditional dishes, turmeric can be sprinkled on popcorn for a unique snack, blended into salad dressings, or even used in baking to add a subtle flavor to muffins and breads. The possibilities are endless, so unleash your culinary creativity and enjoy the myriad benefits of this golden spice in your everyday meals. Turmeric, often referred to as the golden spice, has been a cornerstone in traditional medicine systems for centuries, particularly in Ayurveda and traditional Chinese medicine, TCM. In Ayurveda, turmeric is known for its anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and antimicrobial properties. It is used to treat a variety of conditions, including digestive disorders, skin problems, and respiratory issues. TCM also values turmeric for its ability to improve circulation and relieve pain. Turmeric's significance transcends medical use. It is deeply embedded in the cultural and culinary practices of various regions. In India, turmeric is a staple in cooking, imparting a warm, earthy flavor and vibrant color to dishes. It is also a crucial element in religious and cultural rituals, symbolizing purity and prosperity. In Southeast Asia, turmeric is used in traditional ceremonies and is a key ingredient in many regional dishes. Its use in Middle Eastern cuisine, particularly in Persian and Moroccan dishes, highlights its versatility and wide-reaching influence. Turmeric is not only revered for its medicinal and culinary uses, but is also surrounded by rich folklore and myths. In some cultures, turmeric is thought to have the power to cleanse the body and spirit, a belief that underscores its revered status in many ancient practices. While turmeric is generally considered safe for most people, excessive consumption can lead to gastrointestinal issues such as nausea, diarrhea, and stomach upset. Curcumin supplements, in particular, can interact with certain medications, including blood thinners and drugs used for diabetes and heart conditions. It is essential to be aware of these potential interactions to avoid adverse effects. As with any supplement or natural remedy, moderation is key. Including turmeric as part of a balanced diet is beneficial, but relying excessively on high-dose supplements can lead to negative health outcomes. The recommended dosage for curcumin supplements typically ranges from 500 to 2,000 milligrams per day, depending on the condition being treated, but it is always best to follow professional guidance. Before starting any new supplement regimen, including turmeric or curcumin, it is crucial to consult with a healthcare professional, especially for individuals with existing health conditions or those taking other medications. A healthcare provider can provide personalized advice and ensure that the use of turmeric aligns with individual health needs and goals. Incorporating turmeric into everyday snacks can be both delicious and health boosting. One creative way is to add a pinch of turmeric to smoothie bowls or lattes for vibrant color and anti-inflammatory benefits. Turmeric can also be mixed into yogurt with a drizzle of honey for a quick and healthy snack. South Asian cultures have creatively used turmeric in snacks like golden milk, haldi doodh, a warm beverage with milk, turmeric, and spices. They also make turmeric-infused pickles and snacks like roasted chickpeas, seasoned with turmeric, salt, and pepper. Another popular treat is turmeric-based sweets like halwa, combining turmeric with ghee, nuts, and jaggery for a unique, flavorful dessert. These methods not only enhance taste, but also leverage turmeric's medicinal properties. I decided to boost my gut health by creatively incorporating turmeric into my daily snacks. I started with a morning golden milk smoothie, blending almond milk, banana, turmeric, black pepper, and honey. This vibrant drink not only tasted amazing, but also gave me a great start to my day. For lunch, I enjoyed turmeric hummus with veggies. The addition of turmeric added a unique twist to the classic hummus, making it even more delightful. In the afternoon, I snacked on turmeric energy balls made with oats, almond butter, honey, and chia seeds. These little powerhouses were perfect for keeping my energy levels up throughout the day. Evenings featured roasted chickpeas seasoned with turmeric and sea salt. They were crunchy, flavorful, and incredibly satisfying. By the end of the week, I noticed significant improvements in my digestion. I felt less bloated, and my overall energy levels were higher. Incorporating turmeric into my daily routine was a delightful and beneficial experience. It made me realize how powerful and versatile this golden spice truly is. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss more videos on gut health for wellness and much more. Check out this related video, and I'll see you in the next one.